What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a pretty different video, I guess, for installing cheap parts. Quote by the title of the car. Yes, I bought a GT500 wing for my fiance's 17 GT off Temu. Here it is. I have wires everywhere. Here it is. Yeah, it's actually not that bad. It's actually very light. Comes with hardware and everything. I already opened it up to make sure it wasn't damaged. But it does come with hardware. It comes with double-sided tape. This little hardware and everything. So we are going to see if we can install that tonight. It is dark. I do have the garage crack because it's kind of warm in here. Now, going off of it, it should be pretty simple. So I believe it's this grommet, that grommet, remove this with all these little clips and everything. And there's two little bolts in here, which then we got to very carefully lift up this wing because I know there's a lot of double-sided tape on the end on the other side of this. So yeah, let's go ahead, get all these off. Pretty simple. Honestly, you don't even need a pry tool for these. These little clips that are actually right here, if you actually get a pretty good grip and just kind of like tug on them, they'll come right off. Everything. These are these big ass ones right here. These are these big ass ones right here. Unscrew those. Pretty simple. A lot easier than I thought, honestly. So, all right, so this should be pretty simple. Actually, I'm gonna set up my phone thing right here. So I know when we undo this, I'm gonna want to tilt this because the last thing I want is for that nut to fall. Because I don't feel like digging it out of here at all. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. So take this side the way. You know, I thought these were actually tight, but not tight at all. Alrighty, so got all the bolts off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close this, make sure this doesn't get caught anywhere. Because this is only hanging on the side. Okay, now, fun part is, oh wow, this is gonna be real tough. This is all right, you have to shut the thing all the way. All right, let me get to this real quick. All right, guys, I got it off. Holy Jesus, I ain't breaking a sweat right now. Well, here it is. The original wing. There's a lot of these little clips on there that, man, I'm sorry guys, I'm out of breath, that actually get in there pretty good. So I didn't have any tool, I gotta put this down before I drop this. Cool. So I didn't have any special tool to pry it up at all. I don't have any clip tools or anything. Actually, use my bare mitts. So sorry, guys. That took a lot of my breath. All right, so it's been a good hour or so. I had a strip right here of adhesive, pretty much with a double-sided tape. Well, my fingers hurt. My thumbs hurt now. So I went over to the grocery store real quick, got this stuff right here. Automotive glue gun. The automotive glue. Damn. Automotive glue gun sticker remover fucking thing. So said to let it sit for a couple minutes. I'm letting it sit. I got it everywhere, but I'm gonna let it sit and we'll see if we can start peeling this off. Yeah, so it is the next afternoon, late afternoon. This thing was kicking my ass yesterday, but I finally got it all off. Whew, it was a pain in the butt. But the only problem with doing this is that you're gonna have this line, especially as old as this car is. You're gonna have a line right here where the old wing used to sit and rub. But cool thing is, I already talked to the guy that details my cars. He said no problem once the wing's on, he'll be able to get around that, no problem at all. So anyways, finally, it's all off. Sprayed it all clean with soapy water, actually. Wiped it down. It's a quick detail spray and everything. Got it down. So, all right. So, they don't give you much double-sided tape. But I'm just going to go along the edges like this. Just along the edges on both sides. Obviously, not cover the holes, but go along the edges like this. Then, after that, what I'm going to do is whatever remaining I have left, I'm just going to put down the center. Just to fill in the holes pretty much and go from there. So, alrighty. So, like I said, there wasn't much double-sided tape, but I got the best I could. I put a double strip on the front. Pretty much stripped the whole thing. Corners, that one got a double-sided corner. Corners, top, bottom on both sides. Bottoms on both ends got double. So now what I'm going to do before, because you guys can see I have the double-sided tape here kind of lifted already, is I'm going to lay it on the car first. I'm going to feed the bolts through enough, and then when I know it's leveled and aligned, so I'm going to grab it kind of the way it is, and I'm going to rip the double-sided tape off on both sides. It's done. Cleaned it all up. I think it looks pretty fucking sick. But yeah, look at that. Oof. I'm trying to get every angle I can with this. Damn. Looks really, really good. Solid too. Bolts went in nice. This thing ain't going anywhere. This thing might need a refinish or maybe a re-clear eventually in the future. But hey, I ain't gonna complain for 50 bucks, right? So, looks good. See, now all I gotta do is put all that back. It shouldn't be difficult. It's all clipped, everything's in here. So put that back and she's all done. All right, guys, so we got it outside. Look how good that looks. Oh, it looks so good. It even squared off the back of the car. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so good. So, but yes, she's here. She's gonna go take it out for a drive because she likes the way her new wing looks. Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks good.
So, all right, guys. Sorry, my hair is all messed up, but that's gonna finish up today's video. Quick little install on the Temu GT500 spoiler wing, whatever you want to call it. So, if you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications because I'm gonna do a lot of cool little videos like this with Temu parts. Like, boom, quick sneak peek on the Can-Am. So, remember, if you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Remember, guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you on the next one.